song? Can you put some lyrics in the chat? Can you put some lyrics in the chat, Herbert, and I will try to sing it. It's an 8, by the way, for the Powerball. Hope you all enjoyed those beautiful winnings, and now we're ready to go for another round. So please place your bets and let's go for another round. Because my favorite song is definitely, how can you say? Ooh, that's a good question, by the way. What's my favorite song? I have to say The Greatest Showman, or like from now on. Either From Now On or The Greatest Showman are one of the newest favorite songs for me. It's a 23, the light number, no more bets, good luck. Wow, thank you so much, brought me back. Wow. Enjoy, Herbert, enjoy, my brother. Enjoy, man. By the way, we do have a 6 for the Powerball. Hope you all enjoy the beautiful winnings. Enjoy the winnings, and we're ready to go again, so make your decisions. Let's go. Best of luck to you all, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. Get it in there. Woo! Let's go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. The light number is a beautiful 4. Bets closed. Good luck. So, Herbert, as well. How is it about you going? How are you doing? Are you good? Doing good now? Are you doing all right, Herbert, now after the big win? And now, ladies and gentlemen, the first 5 numbers are drawn. So we have a 9, 16, a 3, a 21, and a 6. So let's go for the Powerball, baby. Need a 4, so let's get the 4, baby. Come on. It's a 5. It's not a 4, but it's a 5. So congratulations to the beautiful winners for this round. Hope you all enjoy those winnings. And guess what? Another betting time it is. As the bets are open. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Like number is going to be a 7. The bets close. Good luck. So Herbert, as well, what's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? Lightning numbers, come on. Come on, 7. Where are you, boy? Where's the 7? 4 numbers drawn. Now the last chance. No 7s to 12. So, by the way, let's go for the Powerball, ladies and gentlemen. As well, Herbert, do you play volleyball? Do you like beach volleyball? It's a 1 for the Powerball. Hope you all enjoy those winnings. Guess what? Another betting time it is, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get the big wins rolling. Oh, rolling.
Mm-hmm. Six, please. Come on, 6. No. Tang ina.
You're not far away. Have you ever been in Latvia? And now let's see, the lightning number is a 17. The bed's closed, good luck. Haven't hit 5 numbers yet, but I want to see what it's like. Let's get the 5 numbers. Maybe let's get the 6 numbers, Herbert, and get the 5,000 or even 100,000 win. Who knows? Maybe we can get the big win. It's an 8 for the Powerball. So congratulations to the lovely ticket winners for the round. Hope you all enjoy those winnings, and now we go for another round. Make your decisions. Good luck to you all, ladies and gentlemen. As well, everyone joining in, coming back, ladies and gentlemen. Feel free to buy those tickets, up to 500 tickets you can buy. So make those decisions and let's get the wins now. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. The light number is a 1 and a 21. So the bed's closed, good luck. Let's get the wins, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Anyone ever hit while you were walking? Herbert, by the way, this is my first time being in this beautiful studio today. While how can you say, it is available for you guys. It is my first time being here while it's available for you. And this is my second session only here. So I haven't seen for now. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go. The light number is gonna be an 8. Bed's closed, good luck. Good luck to you all, baby. Diego Fleet, welcome. How you doing, Diego? Diego from the Ice Age, the huge, the sexy tiger. Let's go. 9, 14, a 1. Guess what? A 13. And the last one is gonna be a lovely 21, baby. So now, let's go for the Powerball. That is gonna be, ladies and gentlemen, a 7 for this beautiful Powerball. Hope you all enjoyed those winnings, and now we're ready to go for another lovely round of a beautiful, beautiful lightning game, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Bets open. Valerie, welcome. How you doing, Valerie? And now let's see, we do have a 3 and a 10, so the bet's closed, good luck. As well, Herbert, if it's easier for you, feel free to use Russian language in the chat. Because I can read a little bit of Russian as well, but I can answer only in English, that's the only problem. I'm not going to be able to answer in Russian, but you can type in Russian if it's easier for you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go for the Powerball. Woo! That is a 4. So, congratulations to the beautiful winners for the round. Hope you all enjoy those winnings. And now, we are ready for the next round, so make your decisions. Good luck to you all, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go for another round. Make your decisions. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. The light number is going to be 19. No more bets. Good luck, everyone. The light number has been hit. 21, 8, and 1 as well drawn, and the 20 is the last one. So let's go for the Powerball. That is, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful 4. So congratulations to the beautiful winning tickets for the van. Hope you all enjoy those winnings. And now we're ready to go for the next. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And now the light number is going to be a 20. The bet's closed, good luck. Don't ask me what am I doing, ladies and gentlemen. Don't ask me what I'm doing. 3K on that one. Woo! Big ones, Herbert. Woo, 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 woo. Lovely. It's a 7 for the Powerball. Hope you all enjoyed those big wins. Guess what? Another betting time it is, so let's go. Everybody's like, I'm the big boy, I'm the big boss, you know, it's like, he's like, you know? And now let's see, the lightning number is going to be a 7. The bets are closed, good luck. Right, Herbert? You're the big boss, right? You're the big man. I mean, I love you, Herbert, for being in the chat. I love you, my friend. Herbert, by the way, do you play any video games? Do you play any video games? I hope so. You are the big man. You are the big man, Herbert. You are the big one. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, it's a 1 for the Powerball. Hope you all enjoy those winnings. And now we're ready to go for another round, so make your decisions. Let's go. Let's get another big win, shall we? Any CSGO, Herbert? Any PUBG for you? Escape from Tarkov, maybe? And now let's see, the lightning number is gonna be 3. The bets are closed, good luck. At 16, at 23, at 10, at 1, and now the last one is at 20. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go for a Powerball. You're into Halo. Oh, okay. It's a 9. How many hours do you have in Halo? How many thousand hours do you have in Halo? And now, by the way, congratulations to the lovely winners for the round. Hope you enjoyed those winnings and we're ready to go again. So bets are open. Lucifer, hello there, Lucifer. A lot. Now let's see, the lightning number is gonna be an 8. No more bets, good luck. Let me guess, Herbert, like 3,000, 4,000 hours in the Halo? Maybe 5,000 even hours in Halo? Something about like 3 to 5,000, I think. The 5 numbers have been drawn, let's go for the Powerball. And the Powerball is a 4, legend, for this round. Hope you all enjoy those beautiful winners. And now we're ready to go again. Betting time. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it. We do have an 18. No more bets, good luck. Wrap me up. Let's go. We are gonna get it. We are gonna get it. Let's go. We will get the big wins, shall we, Halbert? Look at that. A 2, a 15 already, the ones that we need. A 19, probably. A 3, and the last, the 5th one is an 8, legend. So now, let's move on for the Powerball. Let's go. Come on, give us something nice. It's a 9 for the Powerball. So congratulations to the lovely winning tickets for the round. Hope you all enjoy those winnings. And we are ready to go again. So the bets are open. Let's go. Finals and betting time, everyone. And guess what? Let's see. The lightning number, ladies and gentlemen, is beautiful 16. No more bets. Good luck. An 18, a 9, a 21, a beauty of a 3, and now another one is gonna be, ladies and gentlemen, a beauty of 17. So let's go for the big, juicy ones, ladies and gentlemen. The beautiful 10 for the Powerball. Hope you all enjoy those winnings and we're ready to go again. Damn, Mary, hello there, Damn, Mary. Damn, Mary. How you doing, Mary? And now, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? Bam, the round begins. So the lightning number at 13 it is. Let's go. So what now? What do we have here? So we have a 2. We do have a 12. Do have an 18. a 10, and the last one is gonna be a big one. A lovely 21, so let's go for the Powerball, baby.
2.
It is a 5. So, guess what? Congratulations to the lovely ticket winners for the round. I hope you enjoy those winnings, and guess what? Another betting time it is, ladies and gentlemen, so let's go. Sandra, Juan, hey G, welcome, how it doing? The bet's closed, good luck everybody. Let's get the big wins now going. As well, this is my last round with Chuck. After this one, it's going to be a host change. So we have a 9, a 19, a 25, a 3, and a 12. As well, Herbert, I'll thank you for being here, my friend.
4.
I enjoyed your
4.
company, you know. We do have a 1 for the Powerball. Yeah.
And have a good rest. Alright guys, hi everyone. Greetings. Yep, Sabina is back in the house. How you doing? How is everything going? Good, great, and amazing, I hope. For the lightning 14 and the 10 has been struck. 2 beautiful lightning struck results we are seeing right now. And now the beautiful numbers are rolling in here. Can you give me all 6? If only that would be in my power, every single card of all of yours would be with 6 numbers plus.
8.
All right, let's get a
Come on,
Powerball.
8. 8, please. 8.
And for this round, number 6 is going to be the gorgeous Powerball. Congratulations to the winners in here. Well, Herbert, we did get number 6 in here, but probably that was most definitely not what you did mean. But yes. All right, there we go. 2 beautiful lightning strike numbers we are seeing right now. Run me and don't ring it. If that would be even possible. We are doing the touchy no-no thing in here, so we don't touch anything except the lever to bring in the lightning. All right, let's get a Powerball.
10.
And ball number 7 it is for the gorgeous Powerball. Congratulations to the winners in here. All of your winning tickets you can see right in front of you. The more ticket turns from golden towards the red color, the higher payout it has. Oh yeah. Lighting on the wall, show us the magic call. Result on here we do have 23 struck by the lightning. Let's run it up. Let's go and get some 6 numbers, okay? Guys, let's go and get those 6 numbers on those tickets. And, well, let's hope we can get some lightning multipliers because we do need them. They will increase oh so nicely those beautiful payouts.
No.
And number 9 is going to be for the beautiful Powerball. Congratulations with the winners for this round. And hi everyone, welcome to this new and amazing lightning game. So I'm Sabina, your host for this session, your extra fluffy host. So hope you are going to be getting some wonderful juicy wins. 11 struck by the lightning. Good luck. Hi, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to see you all. Well, now when the lightning number has been announced, every single ticket that does have this number has been lit up. And oh, ladies and gentlemen, we just got the 11, the lightning struck number in here. Yes, please. So now
7, please. 7.
the Powerball brings us number 10 for this round. Congratulations to all of the amazing winners. Fantastic. All right, we did manage to get the Lightning September 11 photo round. Hope it did help you and increase your payouts for the round. All right, let's continue. Number 9 is going to be the lightning struck number this round. Good luck. So maximum amount of tickets that you can actually go for is going to be 500. Yes, you're hearing me right, ladies and gentlemen. 500 is the maximum amount of tickets that you can go for per round. The value that you have chosen, that will be applied to every
No.
single ticket as well. For this round number 10, we see for the beautiful Powerball. Congratulations to the winners on this round. As well, just keep in mind, since this is a very fast-paced game, lower right corner, there is still the autoplay option. Autoplay is going to make your bets go on for, well, as long as you choose, and don't worry, you can switch it off at any time. For the lightning, 2 is the lightning struck number. Good luck. So when we do have number between 1 and 10, we could get it drawn on both the machines. If it's starting from 11 to 25, then the number could be drawn only from the main machine. This one where we do have 25 numbers between 1 and 25. So now for the Powerball. And here we go, beautiful number 6. It is Darlings. Congratulations to beautiful winners of the round. Hope you're ready. Time for a new one. So until you have 4 different packs of tickets that you can go for, you can always change up the strategy while the betting time is ticking if you feel it's going to be better for you, my lovelies. All right, let's close the bets and lightning strikes for number 3 and 11 in here. Good luck, good luck. Hi. Nice to see you all, my darlings. Hello, how are you? I hope good, I hope great, and I hope amazing. Let's go for the Powerball here.
Yes.
And here we go, beautiful number 4. It is for the Powerball. Congratulations to the winners of this round. You can always, of course, go for the repeat button as well. That's going to make the same.
Nah.
Good luck. And this is the very fast-paced game, lovelies. Very fast-paced game. So yes, for those who want to ensure that you do not miss any of these amazing rounds, you can try out the autoplay indeed. For the Powerball. Okay, number 5, it is lovelies. Congratulations to the winners of the round. So your winning tickets you're going to see right in front of you. You do have your history option as well on the upper right corner. Little clock. You can press on it and then see what exactly happened in those previous rounds of yours. And now, lightning strikes for 20 in here. Good luck. All right, beautiful numbers are rolling for your tickets, and you can now start to see those tickets shifting around the betting board. The bigger the ticket, the more interested you are in it because of those potential payouts. The number 5 we have for the gorgeous Powerball. Congratulations with this wonderful win on the round. All right, let's continue. So the numbers that will be getting drawn and marking your tickets, all the marking always does happen automatically. So while it does happen, you yourselves, you do not have to do nothing at all. Lightning strikes for 24 on the round. Good luck. So yes, right now you can see those numbers rolling in. And while the numbers are marking your tickets, you can just lay back, relax, and enjoy the game. All right, so here, lovelies. this is going to be number 10 for the gorgeous Powerball. Congratulations to the wonderful winners of this event. All right, everyone, betting time is yours and seconds are ticking. So time to make those decisions of yours. When you go for more tickets, less tickets, higher value, lower value, anything like that. All right, let's close those bets. And lightning strikes for the number 1 and number 24 on the round. Good luck. Hope you, my darlings, did manage to have already your morning coffee. I did. I had 2 coffees this morning, and I personally am feeling so energized and ready to conquer the world. But okay, number 1 was John, the lightning struck number. And for the Powerball, it's going to be beautiful number 7. Congratulations to the wonderful winners of this round. All right, lovely. Betting time is started. We still do need to go for a lot of rounds, and we do need to get those gorgeous wins in here. So hope you're ready as we're going to close the bet. And lightning strikes for 12 on their round. Good luck. So welcome to all the newcomers here. Hi, guys. Welcome to this wonderful, new, fantastic lightning game. I'm Sabina, your extra fluffy host for this session, and I wish you good luck for the Powerball. And here we go, wonderful number 1. It is for the gorgeous Powerball. Congratulations to the winners. Betting time is open. It is time to make your decision. And the only time where you can actually make any changes is while the betting time is ticking. Because when it finishes, we're going to start a new round with the tickets that you do already have. For the lightning, 12 has been struck on the round. Good luck. Hello, my lovelies. Hi, darlings. Nice to see you all in here. Hello there. Hope you're having wonderful and fantastic Saturday. Yes, for me it's Saturday. Hope for you as well. Okay, there we go. Beautiful number 3 for the wonderful Powerball. Congratulations to all of the winners for this round. And lovely, betting time is started. If you're already happy how your bets have been placed and do not want to change a single thing, lower right corner, there's still that auto